This is going to be a very, very exciting journey for you because I'm about to take you from zero to generating $10,000 per month online this year in the next 365 days. Yes, this is a case study series, 100% completely free to watch this series where I'm going to take you from zero to generating $10,000 per month consistently online part-time. So what I want you to do very first is go ahead, subscribe to this channel and tick that bell icon. You must also tick that bell icon because if you don't, even though you might be subscribed, you're not going to be notified of every video that I upload on the daily. So you want to make sure that you slam the subscribe button and you also tick the bell icon. So what you're looking at the screen right now is a brand new campaign that I started roughly 4 days ago. And in a matter of 4 days, in just this one income stream, we've generated $420. Now, because this is brand new, we haven't even scaled this up. We haven't even ramped this campaign up. But since we're at the beginning stages and I've already proven it to work up to this point, I'm going to allow you to copy this exact campaign. And what you're going to see over the course of the next few days, the next few weeks, and the next few months is you're going to see this drastically grow. You could see on the 23rd here, we did $80, the 24th, $160, the 25th, $100, the 26th, $80, and you're going to see this continue to grow. Now, right now, it is only 9 o'clock in the morning. And so this day just got started. It's not even over yet. And we're already at $80. So this is going to be super exciting. And a lot of these commissions here are actually rebill commissions. So you're going to see this thing ramp up. You're going to see me go from 420 to 840 to 1600. And it's going to just compound over the next little while here. So you're going to be able to copy my exact assets that I use in my business, my exact video marketing materials, my exact email follow-up series, and really everything in between. We're going to allow you to pretty much have a business in a box. There's just a few things that you're going to need to ensure your success with this. And you're going to see this repeated to you over the course of the next few weeks. I know if you're brand new, you might be watching this video, you might be skeptical. That's completely fine. Again, you're going to see the progress throughout the course of the next few days. So if you don't jump on board today, it's completely fine. We're going to continue to update you. We're going to continue to provide you with copy and paste training that you can implement, start generating results. And once you start to really believe in this process, you can start to do the whole entire process yourself if you choose to do so. So regardless if you're experienced online or if you have zero experience, maybe you're somebody that's struggled deeply in the past and you just haven't been able to break through. Maybe you want to quit your full-time job. Maybe you want to give your family the life that they deserve. Maybe you want to travel more, have more freedom, fulfillment in your life. Whatever that is, this video is going to help you. So enough of the fluff, enough of the filler. Let's go ahead. Let's dive in here. So the first tool that you're going to need is the All-in-One Business Academy. So when you click the link below, step 1 in the description of this video, you'll go to the description, you'll click the first link, and it's going to lead you to a page that looks something like this. All you need to do is click the button right here and get access, okay? Once you get access and you click that button, you're going to come to the back office right here. It's going to look exactly like this. You're going to want to go to the affiliate zone. When you go to the affiliate zone, you're going to want to create an affiliate account in step 1. You're also going to want to watch step 2, step 3, and step 4. So make sure you watch each and every one of these videos. That's simply step 1. Now, after you complete step 1 and you get access to your affiliate account, again, it's going to look something like this, right? You're going to see total commissions here. Obviously, your commissions will be 0 right now. You're going to watch that grow over time. And I want you to be very patient with this process. This is not a get rich quick overnight scheme whatsoever. This is a real business. And if you trust in the process, you trust in what I give you, and you're consistent each and every day with the activities that I give you on this channel, you will see massive, massive results in the future. But what we're doing is we're building the foundation first, and then we're gradually laying one brick at a time, right? A skyscraper wasn't built in a day. Even a house wasn't built in a day. And so we need to plant those seeds that will then flourish over time. So when you log into this account, you're going to see all these different links right here. Okay. And these are the links that we will be sharing across the internet as I guide you and as I show you exactly where to place these exact links. So you're going to become very familiar with this back office right here. In step 2, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to show you exactly how to start promoting these links today. Okay, so to start getting traffic, leads, potential sales right out of the gate, I'm going to show you exactly where to place these links so you could start getting referrals as quickly as possible. So what you're going to need is you're also going to need something called My Lead Gen Secret. That's going to be in step 2 below. So step 1 was, of course, the all-in-one business, which was this right here. Okay. And then step 2 is going to be My Lead Gen Secret. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to a page that looks something like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on Use My Secret Now, and you'll enter your email address right here, and you'll click here to get started, for example. When you click here to get started, it's going to take you to the sign up page. We're going to go ahead and you're going to enter your details here, and you're going to get signed up. Okay. Once you get signed up, it's going to lead you to the members area. Okay. So I'm just going to log into my account, and you can see my account right here. These are my recently sent mailings. So you can see that I've got 82 opened, 29 clicked. This is my open rate and my click-through rate. So in an online business, we need to be able to share these affiliate links across the internet, right? If we don't share those affiliate links, if we don't promote our business, we're not going to make any sales. So this is going to allow us to go ahead and promote our business. And we were able to create some really good results just from that first email that you could see right here that we sent out. In this video, we're actually going to send out another email with you. We're going to actually do this with you. And I'm going to give you the exact email that you're going to be able to go ahead and you're going to be able to send out. So what we're going to do at this point is, now that you've got your My Lead Gen Secret set up and you also have the all-in-one business set up, let me also explain what you're going to expect moving forward. And then we'll go ahead and we'll send out this first email. So in the next video, what we're going to do is we're actually going to help you set up your own YouTube channel. Yes, your own YouTube channel. And I'm going to give you daily videos that you're going to be able to copy. Okay, these daily videos are going to be in a Google Drive. You're going to download these videos. You're going to upload them to your own customized YouTube channel. You're going to optimize them exactly as I show you, so you could start getting leads organically for free from Google, or we can call that YouTube, because obviously YouTube is owned by Google. We'll start generating free views, and those views will lead to clicks in our description of our videos, which will lead to sales. So we'll have that traffic strategy working for us. And traffic, again, is just website visitors to a website like MLGS, or of course the all-in-one business right here. We'll have that working, and we're also going to have MLGS working as a traffic strategy for us as well. So when we send out these emails, they're going to get open, they're going to get clicked, they're going to get some potential buyers through the gate to start really ramping up our business so we can start receiving commissions just like this. Again, this is the exact same strategies that I've personally tested and followed to produce this result in a very short amount of time. And let me show you something pretty amazing. This has actually been able to produce $865 in the past 4 days, guys. And again, it hasn't even been completely 4 days because we have numerous income streams right here. We've got this income stream. We've got this income stream right here that produced $145. And we've got this income stream right here that produced, if we add all these $20, $180 commissions, this is $300, which is approximately $865 from this specific campaign. So a successful affiliate marketing campaign is all about promoting multiple products so we can actually scale our business so we can make more money with less work. And again, if you guys aren't familiar with affiliate marketing, it's essentially promoting somebody else's product and being able to earn a commission off of that. So we're actually getting 80% commissions just in this income stream right here. Some of these other income streams will get 50%. Some income streams will actually get nearly 100% commission, like 98%, which is really, really cool. And we'll be releasing those to you over the course of the next few days and the next few weeks. So again, step one, you want to make sure that you have the all-in-one business. You've created your affiliate account. And then step two, make sure you have access to My Lead Gen Secret. Every single day, you're going to receive 100 leads. So you could see that it says leads yesterday, leads today. I've got 200. And I think I've got a total of like right around 500 leads or so. So as you bring more people into My Lead Gen Secret, it will increase the amount of leads that you get per day as well. So again, this whole campaign is designed to help you generate as many sales in My Lead Gen Secret and the all-in-one business starting off. Again, we're going to be adding some extra income streams here very, very soon. So you've already seen that it's proven to work. You've seen it work for me. And now what we're doing is allowing you to copy this whole entire process. So let's go ahead. And after you've completed the first 2 steps below, let's now complete the third step, which is sending out our first email. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on create a message. Okay, in step 3 below, there's going to be a link that sends you directly to this Google Doc. And you can see day by day and week by week, we will be adding more emails. We've got 2 emails so far. We're going to be adding more. So email 1 is the first email that you want to send out. If you've already sent out email 1, then you're just going to go ahead and you'll continue to email 2. And every single day, you'll just send one of these emails out. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're just going to copy this. Okay. So we're going to copy email 1. And you're going to jump over here and you're going to go ahead and paste that into the subject. What you want to make sure that you do is that you select all right here. Select mail by date and then click on select all. And then again, paste 20 minutes per day right here. And then you're going to scroll down here. You're going to delete all this text. And then what you're going to do is you're going to jump back over here. You're going to copy the body right here. We're going to go ahead and copy, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to paste right here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to highlight this whole area here. We're going to remove the bolding, and then we're going to move these lines up a little bit so they're closer together. And then we're going to put our name at the very bottom. So if your name is Ben, you're going to put Ben right here. If your name is Jesse, whatever it is, you're going to put that here at the very bottom. Okay, then what we want to do is we want to jump back over here to our affiliate area. We're going to go ahead and we're going to copy the all-in-one $25 business sales letter. You're going to click on copy, and then we're going to jump back over here to My Lead Gen Secret. We're going to highlight where it says watch the video here, as well as the arrow, and then we're going to click the link button here. We're going to go ahead and we're going to paste. We're going to click on OK, and then we're going to do the same thing right here. We're going to go ahead and click on the link. We're going to paste, click OK, and then we want to select perfect timing. So it's sent out on the right time every single day on our behalf. you're going to click on send email. Once you click on send email, the email will be sent out, and then you'll be able to jump back over to the home page and track its performance right here. So at this point, that's all you need to do for today is get signed up with the All-in-One Business, get signed up with My Lead Gen Secret, get access to the Google Doc here, go ahead, copy and paste the email swipe, go ahead, send it out with your affiliate link, and you are good to go. This is a journey from zero to making $10,000 per month online following my exact methods. And if you stick with me over the course of the next 365 days, your life can change and transform forever. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll give you guys an update tomorrow. Make sure that you've subscribed to the channel so you can receive that update. Make sure that you tick that bell icon as well so you're notified by email of when I actually release my next video. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.